everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am filming on Halloween, so Melly is in her little pumpkin dress, and I am going to be doing a fall look today, and then I've got to grocery shop, which I absolutely hate grocery shopping here in New York. Well, we'll get right in with it, and I'm going to get started. So I'm going to start with my Smashbox Primer Water. And then I actually got a new product, and I got the Tatcha Silk Canvas Protective Primer, and it comes in this cute little packaging, and then it comes with this to scrape out the primer, and it has a line, and it tells you to scrape it out to there, but I feel like on me that's a little bit too much, and so there's where I had scraped it, and then there's where I use my hands, so I'm just going to use my fingers. Okay, now that I have that on my hands, I'm just going to rub it in here, warm it up, and then press it into my skin. And spread it out. So this is honestly the softest thing I have ever put on my skin. I feel like it helps already filling in my pores and toning down my red spots, which is super nice. And with the cold weather here in New York right now and all of the wind, I feel like it has kept me so hydrated throughout the day, which is so nice. And today I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Hydration Foundation. This is perfect with the weather. I always try to do my little arrows or chicken feet or whatever. I think I say chicken feet because I'm from Tennessee, but it's fine. Just gonna get a little bit on the side. And then I'm going to blend with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to conceal with my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Light. Okay, I'm going to do the same on the other side. And now I'm going to take that same beauty blender and dip it in my Airspun setting powder. This is damp. I always dampen it before. Okay, and I'm going to bake under there. And take it up on the sides of my nose. Okay, so as this is baking, I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the fur baby barking, but someone in our building got a new baby, and it's adjusting. I wish I knew where it was. I would go give it some love. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you guys probably saw my rant about my neighbor who came over to tell me Melly was being loud at 10:30 in the morning. And now the person that got this fur baby is actually next to him, and for the last week it has been barking all day. So, karma! For my brushes, I'm using my current favorite, my Morphe set. And I'm going to be using the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice palette, which this palette is beautiful and perfect for fall. Here are all these colors. Okay, so I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to dip it into powdered sugar, which is just like the white color, and use that as my base. I'm going to go in with the color Gingerbread Latte, which is kind of a brown tone, with that same brush. I'm going to take that on my crease. Just a little bit higher too. That color is so pretty. I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Oh, hi. Hi. Want to say hi? I love you. Hey, can I have some loving? Look at this cute little dress. This is a Smashbox brush from the Double Exposure palette, I believe. I'm going to go on this fluffy end in the color Spice is Nice, which is an orange color. Oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. Okay, we're just going to try it. I'm going to go on the lid. That's a really pretty color. All of these colors seriously just scream fall. I think this is going to be a really good palette too for like holiday events, because there's so many glitter colors in there in different ways where you can add a pop of color in one palette. Okay, I'm going to do the same on this side. Now I'm going to go in with this Morphe brush from my set. I'm going to go in with the color Gingerbread. I'm going to put that right in the crease. Okay, I'm going to take the brush I've been using for the Gingerbread Latte and blend that out. Okay, I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I really wish this palette had like a darker brown. There is a dark color called Reindeer Paws right here, but I'm not wanting to go that dark with it. I'm at the point where I'm ready to get my brows on. Ugh. So I am going to go in with some glitter, and I'm going to take my Tarte brush from my Unicorn collection. I'm going to take my NYX Dewy Finish, and I'm just going to spray that brush so it is nice and damp, because that way it will pick up the glitter colors better and it'll be thicker so you can see them. I'm going to go in with the color Warm and Toasty, which is a gold glitter color. Okay, now that I have the Warm and Toasty on there, I'm going to go in with the color Spice Drum, which is a brown glitter. And I'm going to do that on my outer lid. Just a touch. Because I was really wanting a brown in this palette. Need to wet this brush again, y'all. And I'm going to do the same to the other eye, and then I'm going to blend the brush I've been using for the Gingerbread Latte and just blend these in together. So now I'm going to take my Morphe powder brush and just blend out everything that has been baking under my eye. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to take my Morphe bronzer brush and my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Oh, smells so good, just like chocolate. I'm going to bronze my face. Who else has like a weird makeup face? Because I like tried to hold back because I'm like, and then when I do my mascara, it's just bad. Now I'm going to take my Morphe blush brush and I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill Becca palette. And I'm just going to kind of mix all three of the blushes just a touch. I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and the matching brush. And I'm going to contour. And same here, today I'm going to be mixing all three colors. Take my bronzer brush back over this just to blend that out and not be as harsh. Okay, now I'm going to take from that Smashbox brush, I'm going to take this end and I'm going to contour my nose. Just make it look skinnier. Okay, now that I'm done contouring, I am going to finish up my eyes. I have the, what is this? Oh, Noir eyeliner. I'm not even sure where I got this. I just sharpened it with my NARS pencil sharpener, which is awesome. And I'm just going to do the bottom waterline. Okay, and I'm going to take this small Morphe brush into the color Gingerbread Latte, and I'm going to put some on the bottom of my eye. Okay, now I'm going to take the same brush, I've dusted it off really well, and go in with Warm and Toasty, the gold glitter. And I'm going to bring that out halfway and just blend those together. And I feel like that, and I can do it in the inner corner. I just think that's a really good way to open up your eye instead of having the same color all the way across the bottom. I'm going to go back in with my blush and highlighter palette, and now I'm going to highlight before I do my brows, liner, and all of that, because sometimes I feel like I get the highlighter like on top of my mascara and stuff like that. I'm just going to go with my Morphe blush brush. I'm going to go in with Prosecco Pop. I'm going to put that on my cheekbone. Go up on the side a little bit. I'm just going to take my finger in. I'm going to put a little bit on my nose. And then I'm going to do it right above my Cupid's bow. Okay, I'm going to do my brows, liner, and mascara, lashes off camera, and I will be right back and we'll do lips. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I used my e.l.f. brow pencil I used my Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid liner for my wings, and then on my eyes I used my Ardell Wispies. I always get like the 5-pack of these. And then with those lashes I used the Duo Lash Glue in the dark color because that blends better with my liner. And then I used my Buxom mascara to blend my lashes in and for my bottom lashes. So today for lips, I'm going to use one of my favorite colors. It is Kylie's Liquid Lip, and it is in the shade 20. And this was for her 20th birthday. This is the second one of these I've had. I love this color so much. Oh my gosh, it's one of my favorites. Okay. Okay, now that my lipstick is done, all we have left to do is all-nighter. I like that they have the 2 lids on this to prevent any leaking and mist. Okay, that just always feels so good when I do that. But I am done with my fall makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe. And happy Halloween, y'all. I am hopefully gonna have this up tomorrow, and let me know what you guys were for Halloween, what you did for Halloween. Let me know all your fun plans, because Steven and I are probably going to hang out in bed, watch a Halloween movie, and drink a bottle or 2 of wine. So yeah, it'll be fun. It's gonna be lit, y'all. But yeah, let me know what you guys did so I can live through you guys, all of you who party and have fun on Halloween. Halloween gets crazy. I mean, I like to party sometimes and have fun, but I feel like Halloween is just like, woo! So let me know what y'all did. Okay, you guys, I will see you next time. Bye.